Gotta let go.
Back it up.
Back it up. Let go. Let go of it.
Wait. How do you go reverse?
There's no reverse.
Oh, there isn't?
You just
Whoa.
calm down, Jace.
You gotta let go. Now push the
You
button.
gotta steer.
Okay, ready?
On your marks.
Put
Get
your
set.
feet up there.
Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel.
Put your feet up there. Ready? Go. Go towards Daddy. Here goes fast.
Come on.
You gotta turn. Okay, go. You gotta be careful. He'll flip. Toes.
Come on. Come on. Turn it.
Let go of it. And then get up. And then get on again. And put your feet right here, okay? Put your feet up there. Remember to turn like this. Turn.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Follow Daddy.
Come on. Come on. Don't get me. Don't get me. Don't get me. Don't get me.
Get your feet up there. Good boy. Go. Turn. Let go of the button. Get up. You gotta get up and turn it around yourself. Good boy. Turn it around. You want me to turn it? Okay. There's no reverse pin?
No, not one of these.
Oh, that's okay.
These only go
Put your
forward.
feet up. Put your feet in. There you go. Yay! Okay, let's turn it. Go, but you gotta turn it. Put your feet up. Put your feet up.
Turn the wheel.
Turn it. You gotta turn. Put your feet up. Put your feet up. No. You don't want to flip.
I don't know how to.
Turn it around. No, not that way. This way, towards the kitchen. Go to the kitchen. Turn it. Okay, push the button. Turn it. That's right. Turn it. Do it. There you go. Go. You got it.
Here, press the button. Go. Turn it. Wait by, Jace. Wait by. He's so
Boy can't multitask.
Stop.
Yeah, he's gonna hurt himself.
No.
Don't push it, Lexi. There you go. Turn it. Go to the kitchen. Turn it.
Okay, got it. There you go.
Bye. Bye. Go. You got it. Turn it around. Stop.